Can you do your best Brimstone impression? Oh wait, you just did.
What?
Brimstone.
Alright guys, just letting you know I'm complete trash at this game.
Wait, what the fuck?
Bro, I'm gonna
Master
literally
Chief!
kiss you.
Why do you sound like
Holy
fucking? Why do you sound like fucking Brimstone?
He sounds like Chief.
This goes here.
Do you have a career in voice acting? Hello?
That goes there.
Okay.
What the heck?
Hello?
No more doubts. We're ready.
What the fuck?
Okay, it's him. It's actually him. It's just him.
him,
It's
it's
just
him.
him.
Actual Master Chief.
Is it actually you, dude? Like, can I
Master
have your-
Chief?
Can I have your
No.
number?
Yeah, Master
Brimstone.
Chief. Are you Master Chief IRL?
Say let's ruin their day.
Hold on, let me put this here.
Say I have a
This is
boner.
my spot.
Yep, that one too.
Let's ruin their day. I have a boner.
What the?
Oh my god.
This goes here.
Both applies to me, baby.